Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn what is the difference between a manual campaign and Advantage Plus campaign in Meta Ads. As you can see, I'm into my ads manager. Whenever I click on create to create a new ad campaign, it always asks me about the objective. Whatever the objective I select, for example, I have selected this and I will click on continue. It will automatically ask me about the manual campaign designing and Advantage Plus campaign designing. If I use the recommended setting, which Meta is saying that these settings are recommended to you while you create a campaign, then obviously Meta will decide the particular things like Advantage Plus audience. In this Advantage Plus campaign, Meta will decide all the factors, all the settings of the ad campaign and will create a campaign for you. You just need to select the budget, ad creative, and Meta will automatically run the ad campaign on behalf of you, no matter what result is coming to you. But in manual campaign, you will decide the whole settings of your ad campaign, like whom you want to show your ad, like at what budget you want to show your ad, at which placement you want to show your ad. Each and everything will be decided solely by you in spite of Meta. If I talk about the Advantage Plus campaign, then Meta is going to use Advantage Plus audience. It is already written over here. It means audience targeting will be done by Meta. Meta will try to show our ads according to its particular plan, like whatever the AI technology they are using behind. Meta is saying that I will select the audience whom we should deliver your ads. Now it is not surety like the particular audience would be fruitful for me. Might be Meta can also make this thing as well, like the audience whom nobody is targeting, no advertisers are targeting, right? So Meta would have a space over there, have inventory over there, like to show them ads, as places are vacant on those users, Facebook or Instagram. So might be Meta will show our ads to them, right? I don't think you should like give remote control to the Meta to run ads on behalf of, because technology can make mistakes. I simply understand this. Next is Advantage Plus placement. In Advantage Plus campaign, Meta will decide on which placements your ad must appear. Like there are 25 to 30 placements on all platforms of Meta. Like Facebook feed is there, Instagram feed is there, Facebook story, Facebook reel, Instagram story, Facebook right column, and Facebook marketplace, Instagram explore, Instagram business explore, and like messenger messages, right? And search results, audience network. There are lots of places that we have already discussed in the previous video of what is ad set, right? If you have not watched that particular video yet, you can visit our YouTube channel and can check out the Meta Ads playlist and can simply check that particular video which we have dedicatedly made for the placements. So Meta will show our ad to any of that particular placement, and what happens next is, like all placements supports different sizes of ad creatives. Like some placements support 1:1 or 4:5 or 1.91:1, and few placements supports 9:16 ad creative size. So if I have an ad creative of like 1:1, what Meta will do? Meta will show that particular ad creative on 9:16 placements also. In result to that, like my ad would be shown to users inappropriately. So I would not recommend to use Advantage Plus placement. And more, like preset settings. Well, already the setting has been made. So this is the difference between manual campaign and Advantage Plus campaign. I hope you have understood. If you want to learn digital marketing or course in detail, kindly check out our video description. I have mentioned my website link over there. You can simply visit our website, explore the course, and can purchase directly from there. Thank you.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.